Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the Jotform branding. So all you have to do is head over to jotform.com and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, at the top right corner of your screen, click on your profile icon and click on settings. So from here, just scroll down until you see Jotform branding. And from here, all you have to do is turn off this setting. But currently, the site is not allowing us to do so. And that is because we are currently on the free plan. For you to be able to customize this feature or this setting, you're going to need to upgrade your account just by clicking on the upgrade account button. And from their plans, you're going to need to choose from bronze, silver, and gold. Just click on the specific plan and complete your purchase on the checkout page. And once the purchase is done, you should now be able to turn these settings off that will remove the Jotform branding on your website. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!